Across the Interstate 77 bridge, near mile marker 25 on the New River Trail, a solitary stone tower reaches skyward against the serene mountain landscape of Wythe County, Virginia. About 4 miles southwest, our story begins. At the turn of the 19th century, the nearby Austinville lead mines recruited experienced miners and skilled workers to strengthen their workforce. Today, at mile marker 29 on the New River Trail, you can visit the former site of these Austinville lead mines. Thomas Jackson, who emigrated to the U.S. from England, began working at the mines as a mining smith. He later became a partial owner of the mines and purchased land along the New River to establish a ferry crossing, now replaced by the nearby Route 52 bridge. In 1807, he designed and began constructing the Shot Tower, an early ammunition factory which still towers proudly over the river today. The Shot Tower allowed Jackson to produce birdshot and buckshot in large quantities. Shot was crucial to early settlers and frontiersmen who depended on hunting for their food. What makes the Jackson Ferry Shot Tower unique is that it was built from limestone, quarried just a short distance up the New River. Limestone is abundant here, so it was used instead of the clay bricks found in most other shot towers still standing today. The tower's design includes a 75-foot structure above ground and a 75-foot shaft below ground, making the total height an impressive 150 feet, which is essential for the manufacturing process. A horizontal tunnel 150 feet long connected the bottom of the shaft to the riverbank. At ground level, a single door opens to a wooden staircase that winds around the interior walls, leading to the upper level. The floor of the top room and its roof are supported by large, hand-hewn timbers. This tower used the dropshot process, also known as the Watts method, named for William Watts, a tradesman from Bristol, England, who invented the tower process for manufacturing lead shot. His method involved dropping molten lead from a great height, allowing it to cool and form perfectly round spheres as it fell. Before this drop-shot method, shot was made by pouring molten lead into molds, which was slow and costly, especially for smaller sizes. When William Watts patented the drop-shot technique in 1782, mass production of lead shot became possible for the first time in history. The process began with lead being transported from the nearby Austinville lead mines by horse and wagon to the tower. The lead was then hoisted to the top of the tower, the hardest part of the manufacturing process. Historians believe that enslaved labor and a block-and-tackle pulley system were used to lift several hundred pounds at a time. Once at the top, the lead was mixed with arsenic to increase surface tension and improve roundness. It was then transferred to the hot surface of a wood-fired masonry furnace. This furnace kept the lead malleable and heated the sieve through which the lead was poured, preventing it from sticking. Different sieves with varying mesh sizes were swapped out depending on the size of the shot desired. A shot tower was a place of intense heat, hard work, and poor air quality. As molten lead was ladled over the sieve, thousands of tiny droplets showered down the shaft, cooling as they fell. Surface tension and air pressure caused these droplets to wobble and spin, forming perfectly spherical shot. After a 150-foot drop from the top of the tower to the bottom of the shaft, the molten lead shot landed in a metal tub filled with river water, about 4 feet wide and 18 inches deep. The water gently cushioned the shot, preventing it from deforming on impact. Workers retrieved the shot through a horizontal access tunnel that ran from the riverbank to the tower's base. The shot was then dried, sorted, rolled in graphite to prevent sticking, and shipped as far away as Baltimore, Maryland, a 6-month journey one way by wagon. Following Thomas Jackson's death in 1824, his family leased the tower to another mine owner until 1839, when shot production ceased. In the 1880s, Norfolk and Western began construction on the North Carolina branch of their railway, which would run directly over the horizontal tunnel beneath the tower. Fearing the tunnel wouldn't support the weight of passing freight trains, workers collapsed it. Once shot manufacturing ended, the tower was left unused, but stayed a point of local fascination. In 1929, a descendant of the Jackson family donated it to the Daughters of the American Revolution for its long-term preservation. In 1952, the shot tower entered a new phase as a potential tourist attraction when ownership of the tower and the surrounding 3/4 of an acre was transferred to the Lead Mines Ruritan Club. During the 1960s, the Ruritan Club, along with the local community, raised $5,000 to purchase the land and undertook significant restoration efforts. They poured a concrete floor inside the tower to match the original shaft opening, replaced the wooden beam above the entrance with concrete, constructed retaining walls around the tower's exterior, and built a concrete walkway leading to the entrance. The Virginia Assembly later allocated $15,000 to establish a state park. In 1964, the deed for the shot tower and several surrounding acres was transferred to the Department of Conservation and Recreation to ensure the site's preservation for future generations. Shot Tower Historical State Park officially opened in 1968. In 1981, the tower was honored as a National Historic Mechanical Engineering Landmark by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Thousands of visitors still come to see the shot tower each year, some driven by curiosity, others by respect for history and remarkable engineering feats. Thank you for your interest in this special piece of our region's history.